Have you ever been introduced to someone and forgot their name 5 seconds later? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a brain trick so powerful you'll never forget a name again? Backed by psychology, tested by memory champions, and ridiculously simple. Let's hack your brain. Your brain is designed to remember stories, not strings of information. That's why remembering John is hard. But John the firefighter who eats tacos sticks like glue. Add action, emotion, and visuals, and suddenly John is unforgettable. The first brain hack? The association trick. When you meet someone, link their name to something visual and exaggerated. Meet Linda? Picture her surfing on a giant lima bean. Sounds silly, but that's the point. The brain remembers bizarre better. Want to go further? Add motion and absurdity. Linda's surfing the lima bean while singing opera. Next up, the memory palace. Ancient Greeks used this to memorize entire speeches. Imagine placing the names you hear inside a familiar mental space, like your childhood home. Assign each room to a person. The kitchen? That's where you met Brian. The living room? That's Sarah, sitting on your couch with a pineapple hat. The more familiar the palace, the stronger the recall. Even celebrities and competitive memorizers use this. Why does this work? Because it hacks your hippocampus, the part of the brain that links emotion and memory. The more sensory and emotional the image, the stronger the imprint. And guess what? Even smell strengthens memory. Pair someone's name with a scent, and you create a multisensory anchor. But here's where it gets wild. Studies show we remember names better when we say them aloud within 10 seconds of hearing them. Repetition isn't just polite, it's psychological glue. Level up by repeating it in context. So Rachel, what do you do? Then say it again before ending the convo. Great talking to you, Rachel. Want to make it bulletproof? Use the 3X method. Step 1, say their name when you greet them. Step 2, use it once in conversation. Step 3, say it again when leaving. 3 times. That's it. Before bed, mentally revisit your day. Who did you meet? Where did they appear in your memory palace? That mini replay tells your brain, this matters. It's like saving a file. Do it nightly for 3 days, and you'll remember names for years. You don't need a photographic memory, just practice. Make it a game. Challenge yourself to remember names at the next meeting, event, or even watching TV characters. The more you play, the sharper your recall becomes. Conclusion? Remembering names isn't a gift, it's a skill. And with these tools, anyone can become unforgettable. Try these for a week, and next time someone says, "Hi, I'm Rachel," you'll never say, "Nice to meet you, Rebecca?" Again. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more mind-bending facts.